smiley face for my chicken sandwich. I'm hungry. Always be thankful, you know. Pray over your meals. God's good. Hello everybody, what's going on, man? Myers right now. Just trying to get something good. Keep breeze here. That's just on Latinos. I think I got my ring though. Not too bad. A little bit cheaper. Kiwi strawberry. Hello everybody, excuse my mess everybody, just got done doing my work and that's all the games I'm playing. I just bought what was it today? I bought Sonic and All-Stars Racing Transform. Sonic 4 Episode 2, Episode 1, Metal Sonic Outrun DLC. Yeah, I just got these when I was doing my grocery shopping. I was getting so much coupons, and I said, man, I just want to say I'm blessed, you know what I'm saying? Something to be thankful of, you know? Never take that for granted, you know? I guess turkey, bacon, what's that, monster drink, cool. Strawberries, apples, grapes, yum, cress, and something else on juice. Later. Hello everybody, just got my order and stuff. I'm interested to try this in my new air fryer microwave. I gotta figure out actually how to make pizza in here. Cooking for okay, cool. Cause I'm gonna have some pizza. I could just run a microwave. I mean, in the oven. Let's see what actually. Oh. Interesting. I gotta figure out that. And now you're throwing the stove. Doesn't really matter. Anyways, that's all my groceries. Sorry for the mess. But hey, I've been busy. Later. Thank you, Myers. And ship. Hello, everybody. I'm not gonna lie. I'm actually kind of nervous using this air fryer, microwave, and all that. But what I learned, make sure you follow the directions. It said try for 18, but I put it in for 14. I could hopefully find how you put it on for extra 4 minutes. So it means an air fryer pizza. It didn't sparkle or anything or start a fire or anything, so for now I'm blessed, you know. Yeah, I can't believe it was the same GE brand was basically a microwave, but this is futuristic here, air fryer microwave, you know. Good job, GE. I just wish it was clear instructions how to actually use this, you know, because you don't want to fry your own place down or anything just because you try, you know. If I could learn how to this is way more easier than this later. Hello everybody, this is me, Martell. That's my pizza, so I ain't no flash or anything. That's the same microwave I have. And it's actually weird. That actually fit the whole entire dish perfectly. And I'm watching Sonic the Hedgehog. That ain't bad for a smaller air fryer and all that. I'm just looking on Amazon so I can actually look up the reviews. Okay, I'm trying to figure out actually how to use first time using the air fryer with a pizza and all that. I was actually scared. I thought I was gonna be barbecuing my whole apartment down. Great for baking pizza. I just wish it was like a set timer and all that.